Yeah, peeps, so I go on. Don't know any boy Marsh Madness again. See me answer? And we're here on another episode. Big up to all of the viewers and the subscribers, right? So this is what we're gonna dissect today, right? Tonight, right? Some pork, as you can see. So we're gonna chop it up. I'm like a chopper knife, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I get to work. As you can see, just I cut it in some bite-sized pieces, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, because I just me alone, yeah, just I cut it in some bite-sized pieces. Just like that. Look at that. Alright? Show me what I got. You can cut it to wherever you feel like to cut it to, you see me? Whatever comfortable for you. Obviously this kind of too big, so I will cut it again. Want to soak up the flavor, eh? Then I go. You know what I mean? So there you have it, to cut it in bite-sized pieces. So now I get to the seasoning in a minute, right? Alright people, so as you can see, so I get to the cooking now. We wash the meat still, you see me? So I go drain off the excess water, we just wash it in. You see what I'm saying? Drain that water right now. Alright, I get to the seasoning. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I get to the seasoning right now. Now I use a variety of seasoning, people, right? I use a variety of seasoning. I'm gonna use some natural seasoning. When I say natural seasoning, I mean nothing too amazing because we don't want to overpower the flavor, you see me? So we get some scallion. I clean off them here. We have the good old Scotch bonnet. This does the trick when it comes to pork or certain things like that, you see me? Nothing more amazing like more than that. But we are going to put some powder seasoning, people. And when I say powder seasoning, like I said, the pepper is always good. So we got the paprika. You know what I mean? We got the Italian seasoning. We also going to definitely put some salt. You know the original black pepper. You know what I mean? There you go. The garlic powder. You know what I mean? Because we have a natural garlic, so I use garlic powder today. This is all purpose. Yeah, I tell you, try. Okay. So we're going to put the Italian seasoning. That's the mixed with the paprika. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. Alright. Sea salt, it's a little bit stronger, so you don't really need too much of this. But definitely have to put some salt in there. Pretty good. Yeah. I like taste my flavors I've been seasoning to the black pepper now, people. Put some black pepper and then we're going to put in some of the all-purpose seasoning now, right? Now that we have seasoned the pork with the dry seasoning, what we're going to do now, we're going to rest that to one side and we're going to work on the seasoning, the natural seasoning now, right? So like I said, nothing too major. One Scotch bonnet, one scallion, wash them, clean them, strip them. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to do scallion first and show them. We're just going to cut it up into some bite-sized pieces. be able to make sure it gets all over the meat that we have just seasoned. Okay, and when you do that, you're gonna have something looking like this, people. Okay, there you go. All right, then you do the same thing with the pepper. Into some pieces there. And get all that flavor in there. You know what I mean? And we're going to use the whole pepper right here too. The whole pepper, alright? We're not saving none of it because it's going to actually soak into the meat and into the gravy, right? So there we have it. And then with both of these, we're going to apply that to the meat, our meat here. Okay? So we're going to apply that to the meat right here. Just like that. Smells that? Alright, boom. So now that we have done that, it's going to look something like that. Want to incorporate that with the mixture. Like I said, people, I like to wash my hands a lot. You know what I mean? So that's what we're going to do. Incorporate this just like this. You know what I'm saying? And you can actually smell that. I wish you guys could smell that aroma that is coming off of the meat right now. When you finish, you're going to have something looking scrumptious like this. Looking like you could actually eat it right now, don't it? Look on that. Yeah, but it's not actually ready yet. See? So I put this down in the fridge for a minute. Alright, I get to the next part of the again, right? Alright, so got the flour there too. Should come out looking something like this. Alright, so we have the fire blazing now. Look at that red. Put on the pot for go and steam. I get some oil put in the pot. And we're going to do the pork first. Yeah man, so now the pot hot, blazing. We're going to add the oil in the pot now. Grab the pork out and fridge now, right? Yeah, I want to check it out and look on that. Wow. Yeah, so we just drop everything in our pot here. Here you have it. Now make it fry up a little bit. Save some of the sauces, you know what I mean? And we're gonna get back to this when it's fry, right? We're not really fry, but stir fry. Alright, so I'll check in back on the pot now. Look at that. Wow. Smelling amazing, dude. Just let the juice then build up in itself, you know. And the juice them by themselves to build up, isn't it, people? So look at that. So there you have it, people. I add the carrots to the mix. Add a little bit more water. And we're gonna let this cook down as well. So yeah, Now that the water is bubbly, we have the flour what we need earlier. And we just gonna make some dumpling with this now, people. You get me, sir? Make some dumpling and throw in the pot. And call it a day, right? And like me say, I'm nothing neat, you know. You just want to do the ball game, something like that. So, here you have it. Yeah, I make that go on bubble up and check back in it about next 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, people. You know what I mean? You're supposed to see the water bubble. Now we're going to check back on the pork and so I go on. Let's start this off for now. Yeah man, looking good. Give it a little stir. As I said, the water actually turn into gravy right now, people. But our next little trick before the water turn into gravy. We want to keep the gravy still in. But I go add a little bit more water to that. You know what I mean? A little bit more water. Let me test it out. Pork them soft still, people. Look at that. Alright, so there we go. I add some more water. And this should do it right here, people. Not too much on the third strip, you know. Just to get the gravy and everything for just catch a flavor, right? And it should be looking something like that. You know what I mean? And I go stir it again. And show you say how the ball game for real set. See if I can set this. Ah, that's better. So I will stir it one more time, people. As you can see, it's caramelized really nice. I'll show you our next trick in a minute too. You know what I mean? Okay, so I make this cook down a little bit, bubble up, and then go halfway while this cook down go halfway. I'll show you our next little trick how I do my thing, alright? Yeah. That's how the dumpling look when it's fully cooked. Starts to float on the water, you see me? And catch the farm and swell up a little bit. So there you have it. I'll take this off. I'll check on the pork and see what's the status on that. Alright, so time to check back on the pork pot now, people. You see me? So I check back on the pork pot. And you see this? Little bit of sugar. Drop that in there. Not too much, you know. Just to flavor it up, you know what I mean? Get the gravy looking nice and scrumptious, you know. Yeah, I will just shake the gravy in there, but make that marinate for about 15 to 20 seconds, you know. Alright. There we have it, people. That's what we want the gravy looking like, you know. Yeah. And that's it. Well, there you have it, people. Yes, right now I try some of my food and you see me? Still hot. Try the dumpling them first, is it? Right, man. Up. My carrot them. I see the pepper not so strong now because to how it cooked down. But they still have a little kick in the back of it, you know? No joke. Piece of pork, you know. I mean, I use a pressure cooker, you see that? But watch this. Tender like wow. Well seasoned. Yeah man, up. Give thanks to all our viewers, man. Subscribers. If you want to see more videos like this, just let us know in the comments, you know what I mean? Don't forget, if you have watched the video all the way to this point and you have not subscribed, subscribe. Please and thank you. Share, like. Alright people. No joke. Definitely. Definitely. And not because I cooked it, but definitely I pass people, isn't it? No man. So, I go now. I try our fight before we leave. There you go. Alright, I do it for you. I go back. See that? No man. Try some pork with the dumpling at the same time, with a piece of the carrots at the same time. One big bite. Up. Fully up. So, bless up to everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time.